Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Teacher Evelyn, and in this video we're going to talk about a fun and exciting topic on domestic animals and their uses. Now, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify different types of domestic animals, explain their uses, and understand the importance of taking good care of them. Let's dive right in. So what are domestic animals? Domestic animals are animals that live with people and depend on us for food, shelter, and protection, and they can be found in our homes, farms, and compounds. Some domestic animals include cows, goats, sheep, chicken, duck, turkey, rabbits, pigs, horses and donkeys, camels, dogs, and cats. Domestic animals are quite different from wild animals which live in the forests and national parks. Domestic animals are indeed our helpers, friends, and providers. Types of domestic animals. Domestic animals can be grouped into two main types. 1. Animals kept for food and useful products, and 2. Animals kept for work, protection, and comfort. We'll start with the ones that give us food. Yummy! Animals that give us food and products. Let's look at the animals that provide us with food and other useful things. Cows give us milk, which we drink or use to make butter, yogurt, and cheese. Their meat, which is also called beef, is eaten, and their skin gives leather for shoes and belts. Fly whisks and horns are used for traditional ornaments, and cows also give us manure. Goats, on the other hand, also provide us with milk and meat. Their meat is called chevron. They also give us manure, and their skin can be used to make leather too. Goat meat is very common and tasty in many families. Sheep give us meat, mutton, that's what it's called, milk, manure, and wool for making warm clothes, carpets, and blankets. Look at that scarf, beautiful. Pigs provide us with meat, which is called pork. This meat is used to make sausages, bacon, and ham. They grow very fast and are good sources of income for farmers. Oh, they also give us manure. Rabbits are kept for their meat and their soft fur, which can be used to make clothes and toys. Of course, they do provide us with manure. Let's move to camels, which are kept in arid and semi-arid regions. They give us milk and meat too, and the milk is very nutritious. Poultry refers to birds that are kept by people for their eggs, meat, and sometimes feathers. Examples of poultry include chicken, which give us eggs and meat. Eggs are full of proteins that helps our bodies to grow strong. Duck also provide us with meat and eggs, and they are often kept near water bodies because ducks loves water. Turkey. These are large birds that give us very delicious meats and are mostly eaten in large celebrations like Christmas. Pigeons. These are small birds and some people keep them for meat or pets. Guinea fowls might be rare, but they are also poultry that give us meat and sometimes eggs. Poultry farming is very important because it gives quick income and nutritious food to families. Animals kept for work and comfort or security. There are some other domestic animals that help us in different ways. For example, donkeys. Donkeys are very useful because they carry goods, fetch water, and can help farmers to plow their land. Camels are also used for transport in dry areas, and they can walk long distances without water. Dogs guard our homes and livestock and sometimes are even trained to help the police in investigation. Cats, on the other hand, protect our homes by chasing rats and mice away, which destroy our clothes and foods. Cats can also be snuggly. Isn't that amazing? Animals are truly helpful in so many ways. Now, the importance of domestic animals include but not limited to provide food like meat, milk and eggs, give us useful products like wool, leather and manure, help us in transport and farming, and guard and protect us, a source of security, and they also bring income and can become our friends. Caring for domestic animals. We should take good care of domestic animals by giving them enough food and clean water, keeping them in very clean shelters, vaccinating them according to their types for various diseases, and washing and grooming them very regularly. We can also treat them with kindness and love. Healthy animals grow well, live long, and give us even more products. Great job, learners! Now let's review what we learned today. We said that domestic animals are animals that live with people. Some give us food like meat, milk, and eggs, and others help us in transport, security, or work. We must take care of them, be responsible for them, so that they can produce and work better. Here's a little home fun. Write down 5 domestic animals that give us food and also state their other 2 uses for each. Don't be selfish! If you enjoyed watching this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your classmates and friends so that they can learn too.